Hello Datuk, how are you? Okay, congratulations. The match versus Sunderland was awesome. Okay, I'm at St. Timas now, picking up my new ride. You coming? I'll see you Datuk Amarim, I'll see you. I'll pick you up, okay? Later, bye-bye.
Bang. What you do for a living?
What I do for a living. But before that, let me introduce you to my newest ride, Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Bash year 2020. And the most important part that I want to share is, number one, is the rim. You see, it has a special self-leveling, so the logo will remain still all the time.
Wah, ada carbon fiber lah. Bang. Nak tanya bang, what you do for a living?
What I do for a living. But before that, let me tell you, dekat dalam ini sangat premium. Sebab apa? Pertama, dia ada bespoke start line headliner. Lepas tu kau tengok pintu ni, dia adalah power door.
Wah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Oh, wah, hebat lah. Cantik lah spirit to see. Bang, aku nak tanya bang, what you really do for a living? Aku promise bang, aku takkan bagi tahu siapa-siapa.
Okay. Boleh. But before that, let me tell you, kereta ni ada road scanning suspension system yang mana dia boleh detect jalan ni macam dia. Dia boleh adjust suspension dia lah. So, kalau korang berminat kereta ni, datang terus ke Setimas. Setimas sentiasa emas.
Bang, aku nak tanya bang. Oi, bang. Aduh, pelik lah dia ni.